bringing me back alive. All right. Let's see. Okay, we're now live on YouTube. The profanity can begin. Let me see. I have Mr. Hernandez on the screen. Mr. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, hold on. This here. Okay. You see the screen, sir?
Yes.
Is your name Leonard Hernandez?
Leonard, you need to respond to him, Judge. Sorry, go ahead.
Tell me a yes or no. Is your name Leonard Hernandez?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you the same Leonard Hernandez who in this cause number CC 675536 who's charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Leonard Hernandez who in another cause number CC 671501 and that cause number is also charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you have two unlawfully carrying weapon cases. They are both Class A misdemeanors. It's possible in each one of these cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in these cases anywhere from $0 to $4,000. You understand what you're charged with in your two cases and what the possible punishment could be in each one of your two cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you filed in both cases. You signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document. Again, it's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have filed this document in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain these documents to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed the document, so is your attorney. Again, you filed this document in both cases. When you signed these documents, what you did, in effect, was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me in these cases, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, in cause number 675536, where you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Contest.
Okay. And in cause number cause number CC 671501, where you're also charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay. Hold on a minute. You understand that on pleas and no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
You're entering your pleas of your own free will.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. A $0 fine, court costs 8 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money short and concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Are these weapons going to be destroyed? Is that, what's going on with these weapons?
Yes, Your Honor.
They are
I
going
don't know
to be
if there's a
destroyed?
motion. Yes, we're not
Okay.
opposed to that.
Okay. Then in cause number CC 675536, where you charge with unlawful carrying a weapon, In that case, the court accepts your plea no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 8 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment satisfied. We're destroying the weapon in this case. It says other voucher here, but I have to fill it out. I'm just going to put in 0 for right now, Greg.
Yes, sir. I had 2 cases, 2 vouchers, so I did one and I tried to make the other one like not
Okay.
applicable.
All right. Well, I'm signing one piece of his paperwork. I got to go back and sign the other, or he can get stuck in jail. So just be patient with me for a minute.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, here's the other case.
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, now in cause number CC 671501, we also charge of unlawful carrying a weapon. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 8 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. We're destroying the weapons in these cases. Do you know these are the only cases holding your client, Mr. Damaris?
Judge, no, we had a PSI and the 437th, so he has some other things he has to take care of.
Okay, so he's got other cases that are holding him. But
Yes,
as far as these cases are concerned, these cases no longer hold you, sir. All right? Good
Yes,
luck
sir.
to you. You
Thank
can
you
tell the
very much.
deputies that we're finishing the case, and Mr. Damaris, thank you. You can be excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. Leonard, I'll talk
Thank
to you in
you.
a bit. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, now let me see. I've got some discovery stuff to sign. So I'm going to be signing that. Someone tell me if I need to pay attention, okay?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge. Good morning, Sean. Sean? Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sheffield.
Judge, my client, I'm was hoping this morning I was going to get better news, but I think I'm going to have to do a psych exam for him.
Okay.
So I guess we'll
Randy,
just
can
need
we
to
send
send
him?
him back.
We used to call it doing it at Carruthers, but we can't do it at Carruthers anymore because he's no longer
Right.
with us. So
Right.
can we send him for a psych exam, Randy?
Yes, Judge. I will get the paperwork filled out.
Thank you, Rennie. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Sean.
So I don't need to file anything, Rennie? You can get that.
Randy? Not sure if he's there or not. He's frozen. Ready? Wow.
Okay. Well, I'll just check back with him. No problem.
Yeah. Call him. Use the old
You will do.
fashioned.
Will do. Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
Y'all
thank
take
you.
care. Thanks.
All right. Bye-bye. Rennie, you were frozen there for a while.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Judge.
Oh, I'm
he
sorry.
wanted to know if he
Yeah,
needed
it's
to,
okay.
if you needed to sign anything or do anything on that motion
No,
before
no,
that Sheffield did.
no. It's just an order that I'll fill out, Judge.
Perfect. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Y'all have-
You're welcome.
Y'all have a great
All right.
day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay. So we're waiting on Cornelius Cox. That could be a long wait. Danny Callahan. That could be a long wait. Jim Willison. I have no idea. So we're waiting on 3 lawyers. That's it on the plea docket.
Yes, Judge.
I think I'm not sure. I saw an email. I don't know if it was to. I imagine it wasn't to Rennie. Otherwise, he would have said something trying to remove Mr. Willison's case from the docket because the state's not ready.
Okay. So can we just go ahead and do that then, Rennie?
We can, Judge. I just spoke with him. I was going to email him the Zoom, but I can let him know. If not, I can have him log in.
Well, however you want to have him do it. If he has better things to do than come into here that the state's not ready, you might want to save him there. But
Okay, I'll let him know, Judge.
state's
I'm
not
sorry,
ready.
who's not ready, Judge?
The state's not ready on Joshua Carrion.
Thank you.
So that leaves us with Simon Casanova, that's Danny Callahan, and Carlos Valencia. And it would be a long wait while we wait for those guys. So can we get pretrial to log on, please, so I can go over the docket with them, and maybe we can start the pretrial, the bond office. Well, Mr. Willison is coming in. You might want to admit him and give him the good news. Yeah, Mr. Froelich, thank you for coming in early. Looks like we might start doing your docket early.
Well, Judge, I'm always here to make your life a little bit more miserable.
Yes, so thank you for making me even more miserable than I normally am. Thank you.
Doesn't seem that to be the case.
Okay, so then, waiting on someone from pretrial. Mr. Bullison,
Hey, Judge.
good morning. I'm sorry to tell you, but the state is not ready on your case.
Oh, they're not ready. Okay.
I was just trying to call you, Mr. Willison.
Okay. Complaining witness?
Correct.
No, but yeah, but Rennie can tell you, but all I know is that they declared they're not ready, so we're not doing your case.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you'll give a reset later, Rennie?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, all right, thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Willison.
Thank you.
Okay, so then, waiting for pretrial.
She's logging in,
Andrew, I
Judge.
love your email address.
Whose email address do you love?
Andrew, help! I got arrested.
Oh no, that's my website, helpigotarrested.com.
Ah, okay.
It's easier to pronounce and
What did
say
you
than
do?
my last
Get
name.
out of jail card free. I mean, get out of jail. Never.
Well, I don't do bonds, so that kind of makes it like help. I mean, you should have heard the workshopping through that email address with my wife and I. She was trying to explain to me that I shouldn't use the F word in my email or my website. It wouldn't be appropriate. Or oh darn it, I got arrested, didn't work, and oh shucks, I got arrested, and then it kind of went from there. But help, we got stuck on.
It's a nice original website.
Thanks.
Oh well. Sonia. Hello, Sonia.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes.
Good morning. I'm going to go over the docket with you. We may do this docket a little bit earlier since we're waiting on two attorneys. They're very busy attorneys usually, and they get here later.
Thank you.
All right. I'm looking at the docket now. So, looking at Tabitha Blunt's number 4 on the docket. Yes.
Judge.
Well, I'm sorry. What are we doing?
Who's talking?
Are we doing the PR?
Alex?
The PR bonds?
Ramirez? Yeah, I'm just
Yes, sir.
going over the PR bonds right now.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to start them because we got two lawyers that probably are going to show up late.
All right, Judge. Oh, okay.
All right. Looking at my misdemeanor docket, listed number 4 on my docket is Tabitha Blunt. I have that she should be here.
Correct.
Okay. 5, Abigail Bradford, not handled. 6, Filemon Cortez, not handled. 7, Corey Crook should be here.
Correct.
8, Sergio Flores Luna, not handled. 9 and 10 should be Fabian Galvan, and he should be here.
Correct. Both of them.
What is this? I have the wrong page. I have it listed incorrectly. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to my other page here, which lists as number 1. Ernesto Acosta, who's not handled.
What is that?
Doesn't matter. He's not there. Number 2, Chance Belden, not handled, and number 3, Nicholas Benavides, not handled. Right?
Correct.
Okay, I'm just going to move that off to the side since there's nobody on that page anyway. All right, going back to the regular order of matters. Number 10, I have listed as Justin Gamboa, and he should be there.
Correct.
Number 11, Angel Gaitan, not handled. Number 12, Jeffrey Gonzalez, not handled. 13, Orlando Gonzalez should be there.
Correct.
And he's got like 3 cases. Let's see. Then 13, not handled. 14, Mark Guajardo, not handled. And then 15, listed as Ty Christian Johnson, should be there.
Yes. Correct.
16, Matias Mata Salazar, not handled. 17, Brett McCoy, not handled.
Correct.
18, don't have a name, but I have 18 is not being handled. I think 18 is Mate Mendez.
Correct. Not handled.
Not handled. 19, Justin Olive, not handled. 20,
Correct.
Enrique Ravago Rodriguez, not handled. 21, Alejandra Ramos Flota, not handled.
Correct.
22, Alfredo Ramos, did he be there?
Should be there.
23, 23, Bruce Lee Rosas.
Not handled.
Not handled. Hector Rosas, I guess it's a alias, not handled.
Correct.
I like Bruce Lee better though. Anyway, let's see. Christopher Reese, number 24, not handled.
Correct.
Maria Anita Ruiz, number 25, not handled.
Correct.
26, Christopher Seal, should be there.
Should be there.
27, Isaac Torres, not handled.
Correct.
And 28, Robert Washington, not handled.
Correct.
29, Lamarcus Watkins should be there.
Should be here.
30, Christopher Winningham, not handled.
Correct.
31, Jason Wachowski should be there.
Should be there.
And 32, Will Yanez should be there.
Should be there.
Okay. We don't have those other two attorneys yet, do we? Renee, do we have any word on those other two attorneys?
No, we don't, Judge. Cornelius Cox was logging in, and I'm trying to get a hold of.
I can barely hear you.
I'm sorry, Judge.
What was that again? Someone's logging in?
Cornelius Cox. I called his office. They were going to have him log in, and I'm trying to get a hold of Vincent Callahan.
Yeah, Denny Callahan. Okay. All right. Well, let's do this. I'm going to take us off of YouTube.